free?
But I only have $1.
$1.
Can I get change? Thank you. What's your name?
He doesn't have one.
Yes, I do. I'm little Petey.
I think I'll call you Snowball.
I think I'll call you Poo-Poo Head.
What? How rude! Here's your money back.